So my hair is a complete mess. It has been straightened for a whole month and it has finally given up on me. It has finally thrown a tantrum. Like, look at this, y'all. I don't know what happened, but it is time. My hair is dirty, it is flaking, and today I'm going to wash my hair. I'm not going to show me washing it, but I will be using the what is it, the Design Essentials, I can't talk, the Design Essentials products out of my curl box. I will be using those, and I'm gonna do a passion twist crochet style because I don't want to do my hair, so we're gonna try those. But yeah, y'all, it is wash day. So I'll see y'all when I get done. I will come back when I blow my hair out and get ready to braid it. Then after that, I'll probably just cut to when I'm done braiding it, because filming just takes so much time to wash your hair when you're trying to film it and do all that extra stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of cut to the chase, y'all. So I'll see you when my hair is blown out. See ya. Now my hair is freshly washed and blown out. And next I'm just gonna go ahead on, and I didn't blow dry it too straight. And it feels really good now that I have that fresh cut, and it even sits differently. But y'all, so next, before these crochet braids, I'm just gonna braid my hair in some straight back cornrows. I'm gonna attempt the Beautycanbraid technique where she kind of zigzags her braids. But I'm thinking I'm gonna probably do about 8 large braids, because the crochet hair that I'm using are passion twist, and they're not that small, so I don't want to have these tiny braids. And I only bought 4 packs of hair, so we're gonna try to make 4 packs of hair work. I think people usually use about 5 or 5.5 packs, but I only have 4. So yeah, I'm trying to do minimum braids so I can use minimum hair, and I really don't want that many twists in my head in the first place. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead on and figure out how I'm gonna braid my hair up, and I'll come back and show you how my braid pattern is looking, and then we'll start to crochet the hair in together. Alrighty, see ya. So I'm in front of my window, y'all, so sorry if it looks kind of crazy. Like always, I'm always apologizing about it. But this is how my hair pattern is. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I have 10 braids in my hair. And hopefully I won't use so much hair. I don't know how the back looks, but that is how my back is looking. So I'm trying to put less in the back, so that is why it looks that way. Hair I'm gonna be using is some passion twist hair from AliTress. This is the hair. Yeah, it's some really pretty hair. So yeah, 24 strands come in each pack, and this is 22 inches, y'all. So this is gonna be long. So yeah, I'm just gonna start putting these in on the back. Hopefully I only use about 1.5 packs or 2 in the back. That's what I'm betting on, and then the rest of it can go on the front, and then I will fill in wherever it's needed. But when I get to the front of my head, I will come back and try to show you all how I put it in. But if the lighting's not right, I'm just gonna go ahead on and install and just show you a couple of them that I'm putting in, and let you see how this brand of passion twist looks, because I had a hard time finding videos on this specific brand. So yeah, I'll be back. So I'm now at 1.5 packs. I was able to fill the back of my head, but I still do have a couple of spaces in my head that I'm gonna go back and cover. So this is how the back is looking. I do have some spaces up in this area and somewhere over here. I do realize I have some spaces back there in the back that I can go back and fill in, which I plan on doing after finishing the front. And like I said, I have a whole pack and half of a pack, which this is 12 strands since it's 24 in the pack. I'm gonna go on and use this half a pack to finish up the front part of my hair, and then I'm gonna go back and try to fill everything else in. So yeah, y'all, usually I usually soak all of my hair, like my cankalon and any of my braiding hair, in apple cider vinegar because I'm kind of sensitive to whatever is on the hair. It always makes my scalp itch, so I like to do the apple cider vinegar bath to get rid of whatever's on the hair, and it keeps my scalp from being so itchy. But my point of saying that is I did not do that to this hair. I'm gonna hope this doesn't make my head itch, because it will come out if I don't scratch it out. So oh man. And the loops are pretty big on this. It's just a matter of the curly hair getting stuck like in the loop. That is what's causing me to slow down a little bit, because when I pull the twist, I don't want to pull the twist apart because it's hung up in the hoop. So I'm trying to make sure the hair isn't stuck in the hoop. And once I get done filling in this last braid, I am going to go back and fill in any empty spots or any spaces that I find in my hair once pulling it back and everything. But besides that, I don't want my hair too full, and yeah, you will see all that. But if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just filling in all the empty spaces after I get done with this last row. So yeah, I'll see you when I get done doing that. And here in this clip is where I'm actually searching through my head to see how, if I, flip my hair over in certain directions, what braids would show or what spaces would show, because I don't want to just waste hair on parts and on spaces that, aren't going to be seen in the first place. So here I'm just trying to think of the many ways I plan to style my hair and if everything is covered for those hairstyles. I'm going to add any more closer to my edges because I want to leave that free so I don't break my edges off or anything. I don't have that issue, but I don't want to create that issue, so we're just going to leave that be. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. So far I like it. I really like the color. I kind of wish it was a little darker at the root, but this is the hair. It is 22 inches long. I can't really effectively show you how long it is. Just know I'm 5 feet 5'1" on a good day. So this hair is long. It literally touches my butt. So I want to say this took me probably about an hour. No, actually it didn't take that long. It probably took about 45 minutes for me to put this hair in. But yeah, this is it, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, this really wasn't a tutorial or anything, me showing you how to crochet, because I'm not the one, but this was pretty much me trying to show you this hair because I had a hard time myself finding this hair on YouTube, specifically this hair, which again is this is the AliTress braid collection, and it is the passion twist. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions concerning this hair, it was $9.99 a pack, and it was a double pack, so it came with 24 strands in one pack, and I used 4 packs of this hair. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll put all the details on the hair, how much it was, how many packs I used, all that jazz will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. But anyways, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya.